I've had my Blackstone for about 3 years now, and recently I decided it was time to part ways with it. I got this thing and it helped me transform from somebody that could barely cook burgers and steaks on the grill to someone that cooks out all the time and has improved our at-home recipes as well as when we're out camping. Am I going to miss this Blackstone? I will miss it a little bit. It has seen the bad me and the good me when it comes to cooking on it and learning how to cook on it. But in my videos that I have posted about this 22-inch Blackstone, I have heard from a lot of people that bigger is better. Why get rid of the Blackstone? Why not? I got the 17-inch that we'll use for camping and stuff this year. I smoke a lot of meats on my kettle grill there. This 22-inch, I liked it. I grew to work very good on it, but it was time for something bigger. The 22-inch does have its limitations when you're cooking full meals, and so I wanted something bigger, and I also could not pass up the price on this one here.